Hi there, my name is Ms. Hoppus, and I'm an English as a New Language teacher at Bronx Engineering and Technology Academy, better known as BETA. Today I'm going to walk you through how to find Bronx Engineering and Technology Academy in your My Schools account. I'm just going to share my screen. Now, if you are an 8th grade student who's looking for a high school in the Department of Education, your counselor has probably already shown you the My Schools account. But if you haven't signed up yet, I'm going to walk you through how to sign up and then how to use that My Schools account to access all of the schools and select your school of choice. So this website, myschools.nyc, is where you will sign up for your account. If you're family or you speak another language, it is translated here. You would just click where it says English, the drop-down menu, and select your language from the list. I'm going to set up a test account just to show you how it works. So first you'll select Get Started. You're going to enter the parent's name, first name, and then last name. I'm going to put my real email here because I'm going to need a confirmation link that comes to that email. Then I create a password, and I click Next. And then it tells me to check my email for that message. So I'm going to go over to my email, and I have something from My Schools. It says account verification, and I'm going to click that link, and it takes me to my welcome page. From here, they're going to ask you for additional info, your primary and secondary phone number. So if you have a home and a cell phone, or if parents have different numbers, giving them more contact info is helpful. So again, this is just going to be a test. I'm putting in a fake number here. And the same thing for the secondary. I'm going to put in a mailing address. If you're in temporary housing, meaning you're in any kind of a shelter, or you are living with friends, families, or other people because you've lost housing or having economic hardship, you would select right here, I'm in temporary housing. Otherwise, if that does not apply to you, you would just put in your street address. And I'm just going to put in a test address. Okay, so I put that in. They're going to ask you what language you would prefer the Department of Education use to contact you, and you can select from one of these 10. I'm going to select English. And then you hit Submit. And now you have access to a dashboard. And from there, you can add children to apply to different schools. I'm not able to do this because in order to do it, you need a student's ID number, their OSIS, and you also need a code that's going to come from your child's school. That should probably come from a guidance counselor, and you would need to reach out to your counselor to get that code. So I'm going to show you how to find Beta High School in this system, but just know that when you do it, you'll need to add your child first and then use your child's account to find this. So you're going to go to myschools.nyc/English/high school, and you're going to enter our code, and our code is X61X. So you go to this list and you enter X61X, search, and we're the one that comes up. And so this gives you information about Bronx Engineering and Technology. It has our address, our website, the best email for our parent coordinator. And then it has this number, but just so you know, during remote learning, no one will be in the building to answer this number. So if you go to our website, betahighschool.org, and you scroll down the homepage all the way to the bottom, it does have this note here. So there's another phone number. It's a Google Voice number that goes to our parent coordinator. So if you do have questions and you want to talk to someone, the number is 856-208-7689. Otherwise, you can send us an email or you can look for answers on our website. So when you go to My Schools, you can find us using that code. You can also find it by looking by address, or by school name or interests. So Bronx Engineering and Technology primarily specializes in engineering and technology. So if you have a student who is really interested in engineering, you could type engineering, and we are one of the schools that comes up. So you could find us that way. Once you're on the list and you found us, you can star Bronx Engineering and Technology as the school that you prefer. To do that, you're going to need to go to your dashboard. So again, I can't show you that because I don't have a student to use as a test. But in your dashboard, you'll select this school as a priority. And when you're ready to apply, if you select Beta as your first choice school, you are likely to get a spot. So we highly recommend, if you are interested in Bronx Engineering and Technology, that you select us as number 1 on your application. So again, to find us, you would go to myschools.nyc/en/school/high-school. You can also just start by going to My Schools and it'll come up. You're going to search either by our code, which is X61X, or search by engineering, or search for us by name. So you find us there. So if you have any additional questions, please reach out to us on the number for our parent coordinator, or you can email our parent coordinator at mbryce@schools.nyc.gov. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.